This is the main interface file of the luxury travel landing page, designed in a modern and elegant style using UIKit and Bootstrap 5. The page showcases the full range of premium travel services. This page is ideal for travel and tourism businesses looking to build a professional brand, attract high-end customers, and increase online conversions. Now let's take a look at its code structure. First is the nav bar section. Next is the hero section. Next is the features section. Next is the About section. Next is the Gallery section. Next is the Tour section. Next is the Pricing section. Next is the FAQ section. Next is the blog section. Next is the newsletter section. Next is the contact section. Finally is the footer. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get notified about the latest web templates. Free download link is in the description.